have celery.
What? Yeah, you know.
It must cheese a lot.
Okay, celery.
Celery. Let me give you the celery. Can you put this back on the counter? We'll put what? But
Can you get all the way down to the bottom, Joe?
yeah, this is hard with a fry pan.
Do you want help?
I guess I can just kind of do this too.
How's the kale, Ellie?
Good.
All right.
Look how much I did.
I see. Looks like the whole plate.
Anyway, next now. Then I still have
Okay,
this.
so now what's next?
That's a cup. Garlic?
Okay, we got to get out the garlic press.
Okay. There's